Never fear, Super Grover is here. We do not need a key. With my super strength, I will bend the bars, and Birdie will be free as a bird, so to speak.
I don't think that's the one. No, don't. Try the next one.
Are you sure you have the right keys?
Big Bird, how are we gonna get you out of it if you can't keep quiet?
Maybe you should ask him if he has another set of keys.
Gee, Big Bird, please.
Maybe it's a combination lock.
Shh.
Go. No, don't try that one. Try the
Bird, button up that beak.
No, try those. Don't try that one. No, that one. That's the one.
Three more keys.
Wrong key.
Two more keys. One more key.
That's it.
Maria!
No, what are we gonna do? Partner, get in the way.
Gotta catch that truck. Come on, Livy, let's go.
Tally, you wake up Oscar. Tally?
Right, Maria. Oh,
Wait a minute.
What?
Sis, you drive.
Why me? What?
I've got an idea. Okay, let's follow that bird.
Oscar, wake up. Come on, Oscar, wake up.
Whee! It's fun to be in an upside-down world. There's fish that fall out of the sea. There's upside-down clocks that make everyone late. Upside-down